Do you want to share the location on Instagram? You can send your live location on Instagram direct message with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to share location on Instagram. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To share your live location on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap the message icon at the top right of the screen to open your direct messages section. Now, scroll down and choose the conversation where you want to share your location. In the chat conversation screen, you will see your previous messages. At the bottom of the chat conversation screen, you will see the message input field. Tap on the plus icon on the right side of the message input field. From the options that appear, select location. You may need to grant location access to Instagram if you're using this feature for the first time. Instagram will display your current location. If you wish to share your live location, tap the Share Your Location button. If you want to share a location other than your live location, use the search bar to type the name of the location. Select the location you want to share in the Instagram direct message. Lastly, tap on the Send Location button at the bottom of the screen. If you share your live location in the direct message, it will remain visible for 60 minutes. After that, it will automatically disappear.